Welcome back to Auto Luxury 295. Today, we're taking a ride back in time, to an era of fins, chrome, and unmatched elegance. This is the 1960 Cadillac Series 62 Convertible, a symbol of American luxury and automotive opulence. Let's explore what makes this vintage cruiser a timeless icon. Exterior. Let's start with the exterior. The 1960 Series 62 was the final evolution of Cadillac's iconic tailfin era. Those sweeping tailfins are slightly toned down from the flamboyant, 59 model but still dramatic and eye-catching, paired with bullet-style taillights that scream mid-century futurism. The front fascia is just as impressive, a bold, wide grille flanked by dual headlights and a sparkling sea of chrome. The long, low profile gives it the road presence of a yacht on wheels, especially in convertible form with that soft top tucked away. Available in a wide range of factory colors like Olympic white, Persian sand, and Gotham gold, every inch of this Cadillac was designed to turn heads and drop jaws. Interior. Inside, the interior is a luxurious lounge. The Series 62 offered generous bench seating wrapped in premium leather or cloth trim. Cadillac's obsession with comfort was evident in every detail, from the wraparound dashboard to the chrome accents on the door panels and steering wheel. You had conveniences that were ahead of their time: power windows, power seats, even a power convertible top, all standard on many models. The wide speedometer, radio with Cadillac branding, and futuristic climate controls made you feel like you were piloting something from the jet age. Performance. Under the hood, the performance was equally impressive for the time. The Series 62 was powered by a 390 cubic inch V8 engine, pushing out around 325 horsepower, enough to glide effortlessly on the open road. Paired with a 4-speed Hydramatic automatic transmission, the ride was smooth, quiet, and confidence-inspiring. This wasn't about corner carving, it was about cruising in style, floating over the pavement with unmatched grace. So, what's the verdict? The 1960 Cadillac Series 62 Convertible isn't just a car, it's a rolling work of art, a cultural time capsule, and a statement of status and success from a golden age of American design. Whether you're a collector, a cruiser, or a classic car enthusiast, this Cadillac represents a pinnacle of post-war automotive luxury. Sleek, bold, and dripping in class, the Series 62 is a legend that still shines bright, 6 decades later. Thanks for watching Auto Luxury 295. If you love classic cars as much as we do, hit that like button, subscribe, and tell us your favorite Cadillac year in the comments below. Until next time, keep cruising in style.